What's up, guys? This is Rich from Label Graphics Co. And today I just want to take you through a quick process of how we do commercial wraps. Generally, we sit with clients and we try to figure out what they're trying to achieve with their wraps. So, is it going to be a call to action? Do you want phone calls? Do you want to drive traffic? Are we just talking brand awareness? From there, we gather all the digital assets. We talk about creative. What do you want it to look like? What your brand feels and looks like to its customer, things like that. So from there, we generally start putting some concepts together. We're gonna allocate your vehicle templates, get all the different assets you have from your vector logos, services, try to pull some stuff from your website, and really bring you a full cohesive brand solution that we're gonna translate to your vehicles that gets it right out there. From there, it goes into either Illustrator or Photoshop, depending on what we choose. We do a lot of different designs. We go back and forth. Generally, for us, we tend to nail it on the third or fourth revision, try to throw out a couple options and come from there. Creative, to me, is the most important part. You don't want to look like your competition. You want to stand out. So rather than be your standard run-of-the-mill company that we're just going to take some patterns and logos, kind of mash them together and call it a vehicle wrap, we want to approach it with some real marketing strategy behind it. Once we have your design all nailed down, then we go to production. From production, we're going to print some samples, very much like this here. These are actually the same design, printed at two different profiles. The profiling, all those things, the ink sets, the spot colors, all these things play into exactly how the finished product is going to come out. Then from here, you find one that you like. When we tweak it, we get it locked in. We have our customers sign off on a full color printed proof that they're gonna see outside. This locks it in, so when we actually go to production, we have almost like a locked in standard colored palette that we know to match to. From there, your vehicle will get printed, will get done. We'll bring it inside, have it in for the scheduling. We'll just start to install everything. Depending on your vehicle, that could be a single day to 3 to 5 days. It really all depends on the complexity and size. One of us is going to call you, you're going to come in, you're actually going to get to see your vehicle completed. And we're going to bring rendering to reality, and hopefully you have a really cool experience in the parking lot when you see your van wrapped or vehicle wrapped for the first time.